Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about plugins. So plugins is by far one of the best features of WordPress. So before diving into the plugins section, I want to say something about plugins. So what is plugins? So plugins is basically an additional feature that you use with your WordPress theme. Suppose you have installed an WordPress theme and not an WordPress theme, a WordPress theme. Oh, my grammar. So you have installed a WordPress theme and you need some sort of feature that is not provided in your theme. So what you do, you go to the plugins territory and you look for something that supports or that provides that feature that you are looking for to use in your WordPress theme. So suppose I can show you now. Uh, there are three options: install plugins, add new, and plugin editor. So I am clicking everyone and opening them in a new tab. So in the plugins option, we can see that there are two plugins. So these two plugins will be with your WordPress site by default. When you install a new WordPress site, these two plugins comes by default. So this is Akismet, which allows you to protect your blog from spam, and this is Hello Dolly. This is not just a plugin. This it symbolizes the hope and enthusiasm of an entire generation, and blah blah blah. So these two plugins will be there for you. But if you want some more plugins, you can click on this add new, and you can see bunch of cool plugins out there which can actually benefit you a lot. So if this is Akismet. uh, if you are not you using Gutenberg and you miss your old editor, then this is the classic editor that you can install from the plugins territory. So this is Jetpack, which gives you all the search engine optimization, then a bunch of other things for your website. This is BB Press. This is a forum software. So these five are not only the five plugins. There are tons of plugins, but these are not five. These are seven. So all you have to do is search for the plugins that you want to use. Suppose I want to use a contact form plugin. So all I need to write is contact form, and a very popular plugin is contact form 7. So this is still loading. So this plugin is very popular. You can see the downloads. It has been downloaded for over 5 million times, and you can use this plugin to activate a cute contact form in your WordPress website. So this is basically what plugins are, and this is the same thing. Add new. You can upload plugin from your PC if you have a zip file. If I click on this, it will say you, if you have a plugin in a zip format, you may install it by uploading it here. So there's that. And last but not the least, just like the theme editor, we also have a plugin editor that you can see, and you can modify a bit if you want. So there's that. So before doing anything here, you need to have clear knowledge and understanding of what you are doing. Otherwise you may do something that will stop your site. So you do have to have an in-depth knowledge of what you are doing. So that's about it, the plugins territory. Plugins and themes are two uh, uh, things that we will work a lot in the upcoming future. If you have any question, you can write in the comment section below, so that I can give an appropriate reply to that, and I can solve that as well. So this is pretty self-explanatory. I haven't got into any coding part where you will be stuck or anything. This is pretty basic, all you guys know it already. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.